Today we're going to see how to create an oval dish on the wheel. We're going to start by centering our clay. I have about 2.5 pounds. As I'm centering, I'm going to be thinking about that the centered piece is just about the diameter of the finished piece. So I want to make sure I also have a little bit of height to work with, maybe a couple inches high for this particular piece. I want to center a low, flat, pancake type shape. Once I've centered to the diameter that I need, I'm going to begin to open the piece up. Since this is going to be altered later, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that piece all the way down to the bat. Now I'm down to the bat, and what I'm going to work on is just getting the lower portion a little bit thinner. So whatever I end up with is going to be the width of the casserole dish. So I want to create a little bit of a thinner area down towards the base. I want to make sure that my outside edge is nice and cleaned up, so I'm going to work to straighten that up a little bit also. Once I'm opened to the diameter that I want, I need to make sure that the base of the piece is set up for its eventual attachment to the bottom of the casserole dish. So I'm going to make sure that the outside and the inside bottom have a little bit of a taper. So it's going to start out a little thicker at the base, so that I have a little bit more attachment area for the future slab. Now that it's opened, I'm going to raise the walls, and I'm wanting to raise them and thin them out a little bit. However, I like when I'm making a casserole dish to have a bit of a thicker wall, so I'm not going to thin them out as much as I would for maybe a cup or another serving vessel. Once I have my walls where I want them, my next step is to give it a little bit of a shape, and so I like to have a bit of a taper towards the top, so I'll work to just pull that top out just a little bit so I have a bit of a curve towards the top edge. My next step is to create a channel on the inside and the outside edge so that the wire tool that I'm eventually going to pass underneath can pass through unencumbered. Next, I'm going to dribble a little bit of water on the inside and the outside edge, and that's going to make it nice and slippery so that when I pass that wire underneath, there's nothing kind of in the way. I want it to be a nice, smooth pass. I'm going to move some of that water into that channel that I created on the inside and the outside. Next, I'm going to grab my wire tool and I'm going to slowly pass it through the bottom of the piece. I'm going to do that twice just to make sure. This is also pushing some water underneath, which is going to help it become nice and slippery. And the next thing I'm going to do is shape it into the oval form that I need. It doesn't take much pressure because we've laid some water underneath the piece. I want to make sure that I clean up all that excess water after I'm finished shaping, because we don't want that to sit at the base on the inside or the outside. My next step for the piece will be to roll out a slab, and once this is stiffened up just a bit more, I'll cut it once more and I'll attach it to the base slab, clean up the edges, and that's it.